until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:58 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located about 5 miles southwest of Winters, moving southeast at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado and baseball-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or The National Weather Service in San Angelo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southeastern Coke County in west central Texas, Runnels County in west central Texas, until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:09 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Hatchel, moving southeast at 30 miles an hour. This is a destructive storm for Hatchel and Ballinger. Hazard, baseball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be severely injured. Expect shattered windows, extensive damage to roofs, siding, and vehicles. This severe thunderstorm will be near Ballinger and Hatchel around 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Benoit around 5:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include the intersection of Highway 208 and Ranch Road 2662, Wilmeth, Lake Winters Lake, Ballinger Lake, US 87 near the Coke-Tom-Greene County line, and Pumphrey. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.